biology session also, there was only Chavi there. I had a clash with my maths class. So I chose to go to my maths class because it was one of the tougher chapters for me. And only Chavi was there. And apparently they did the MTG. Anjali ma'am and Charvi alone.
Let me put in a text if they want to join the session. Or is it some like a mass bunk or so?
If it was a mass bunk, then I am officially believing that I'm not part of Media 7. Apparently they've kicked me out of it.
No. Maybe they didn't tell you because they know you're a sincere one, right? So we have principles of variation and inheritance today as well. Do you have any doubt in that one, or should we just go ahead?
1 minute. There was a question I had in my biology. Today I had my biology model. So there was a question, and a lot of kids were saying that's not correct option. I'll just bring it and ask
Yeah,
you.
sure.
Okay, ma'am. The first question was, what would be the genotype of the parents if the offsprings have the phenotype 1:1?
Then parents would be pure line, na? Because that is the ratio which we obtain from the test cross and all.
We don't have that pure line. We don't have a complete dominant and complete homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive. We had a question of capital A small a into capital A small a.
Hold up, hold up. Let me just write it down over here. Okay. So what did we have again?
Capital A small a into capital A small a.
Capital is small and well, basically heterozygous. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Two hybrids.
This into this.
Yes.
Is this the answer?
Ma'am, I don't know. Everyone was confusing me as well. The second option we got was both are dominant. Both are homozygous dominant.
Okay.
I understood that wasn't it because we need a phenotype of 1:1 and you get only one phenotype in this.
You get 1:1 phenotype if you have this or if you have this. This is the only possibility of getting 1:1 ratio. That's it.
We had both of those options.
What?
Yes, I had a capital A into small a capital A small a into capital A, and then I had another option capital A small a into small a small a.
So these were the options of the question that you had, right?
Yes, ma'am. I chose the option C, capital A small a, capital A capital A. No, small a, option D. But everyone was saying it was A.
How can it be A?
I don't know. I asked them to do the cross and check it, and they were like, "No, we know it's A." I'm like,
That's just dumb. No, we know it's A. Huh? Or kuch. See, this is, we get this, we get this, we get this, we get this. And then we get this. Again, we're going to get this. And then we're going to get this, which is literally 1:1. And I think if we go with this and this, we're going to get this and this. We're going to get this and this. So this makes it this, and this, and this, and this. So you're getting 1:1 here as well because of the test cross.
Yeah, and we have both options.
Yeah, the question is incorrect then.
So, so in such a case, if both the answers are correct, I can put any choice.
Such questions wouldn't be put into the NEET exam because it is set by like the people who with highly conscious minds.
These were not conscious mind. Apparently, they were half sleepy when doing this.
If your classmates are choosing this, that's just stupid. How?
Won't it come 3:1?
Let me see. Oh goodness. Oh my God. Are your classmates that dumb?
I don't know.
It's literally this. Oh my
Ma'am, it's
God. That's
phenotype. It's not
dumb.
genotype, it's phenotype. So it will be 3:1.
Yeah. Phenotype is 3:1.
So I didn't understand where they were coming from in that one.
Are they on drugs?
I'm confused. Um, there was another question I had, ma'am. It is not related to this chapter.
Mhm.
It is embryo sac develops from MMC through. And then the options given were one meiosis and two mitosis, one meiosis and three mitosis, three meiosis only, and one meiosis and four mitosis. I got various answers. I got some saying it was obvious, the three meiosis one was cancelled out. Some people are saying it's two mitosis, some were saying it's three, some were saying it's four. I left that question because I got confused in the reading it. I got confused because I wasn't able to remember the steps.
See, megaspore mother cell is a diploid cell, right? And the question is embryo sac develops from megaspore mother cell through
Yes.
successive processes of megagametogenesis or megasporogenesis, right? So in the first process, like this, there's just one time meiosis cell division that takes place, and the second process is three-way mitosis cell division.
I knew there was only one meiosis, but I kept getting confused between three mitosis and four mitosis.
Now you know.
Yes. Um, the other question, this was another question from principles that everybody kept saying I was wrong. The question was select the correct phenotypic ratio of F1 generation when a cross is performed between capital R, and capital R, small r. The options given were 1 red is to 2 pink is to 1 white.
Wait, we have red, pink, and white, 1:1, right?
Yes. Then the second option was 2 pink is to 1 white.
Okay.
The third one was 2 red is to 2 pink.
Okay.
And the third one is all pink. And none of them listened to me when I told them it wasn't option A since we don't have two recessive genes and we can't have white in it.
Honestly, which school?
I really don't understand my friends. They were like, it's given in the notebook. I was like, have you checked the notebook? The genotype in the notebook was capital
Like,
R, and small r, small r.
but you give me a second. Isa, you guys can just talk. Could you stop texting in the chat box? I'm doing something important. It's hindering. Hi, Isa. Hi, Chari. Sorry for what?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Sorry for what? It was not you, it was Isa.
Ma'am, what's going on in this session? This session seems really unique, you know.
I don't understand if it was sincere or sarcastic. I also don't care anymore. So we're just looking out to the questions that Vedika got in the module.
While Miss is also stating that my classmates are stupid.
Very. Vedika, your constant need to feel sorry for the actions that you didn't even commit is going to work in the negative direction big time for you. Okay, then you'll develop anxiety, and then you'll start having panic attacks, and then everyone in the office is going to start to bully you, and you'll get bullied because then again you have this um um
It'll keep going in a
this
circle.
urge. Yeah, so just don't. Okay, if you have genuinely done something wrong, then you can say sorry, you could apologize. If you feel like there, you should say sorry. If you have not done anything, then just punch yourself in the face and be like, no. Okay, don't try, like literally, see, don't give people a chance to uh, make you a doormat. People will do that without being apologetic or correct about it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yep.
So yeah, this one I wrote option C, which
Hmm.
was too red is to too pink.
Motivational Megha. Right. If we look at this, isn't this the incomplete dominance?
I think it's Snapdragon.
Yes.
So
So this is a complete red and this is a pink, right?
yes,
And if we go by this, these, these, and these, red, pink, red, pink. Yeah, you were correct. What's wrong with your classmates? What
I
are they, dumb?
I think they never read the text properly, or it was because of the fact that yesterday we got a notice that we had to do our last models, that is today at school. I think they didn't actually read the textbook or the notebook, since they were like, it's online, it's fine. If we don't know, somebody will message me from the side.
And then they're like, oh, no, no, we know it's correct. You don't have to see the textbook or anything.
You know, I did the cross in class. During the exam, I was doing the cross on my question paper to make sure I was right.
Happens to the best of us.
Ma'am, there are a couple of more questions,
Go
but
ahead.
it's not related to this one.
Okay.
It's okay?
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Wait.
Oh, wait, I already had a yellow. Oh, shit. Which color do I not have?
Ma'am, you don't seem to have a purple, like a dark purple. You seem to have the lighter one.
But dark purple. Will it be visible here on the black screen?
Yep, I think so.
Yeah, no, it's not.
She has sky blue.
Huh?
You have sky blue.
Oh, what about this dull green? Ah, this is good. Okay. Now just to make sure that it's this speed. It works. Okay. So the query is shoot.
Okay, the first one is an assertion reason.
Cyan. Type of- Okay, assertion reason. Shoot.
Assertion: DNA helix runs continuously from one end to the other in each chromatid in a highly supercoiled form. Reason: loss or gain of a segment of DNA therefore results in alteration of chromosomes.
Yeah, I think that is correct. See, both statements are correct, but they're not related to each other.
Both statements are correct, but reason does not explain assertion.
Assertion, right?
There is something clearly wrong with my classmates. They said both are false.
Okay. I'm not judging. Okay. I am, but it's okay.
This was complete mess. This question for all of a lot of doubts. I'm really sorry if it's troubling, since it's
No,
from
no.
different chapters.
Again, you're asking the questions, which is I'm here for. Don't be sorry about it.
And the next question is: to produce 400 seeds, the number of meiotic divisions required will be.
I'm sorry. Could you come again?
To produce 400 seeds, the number of meiotic divisions required will be. My answer was 500 because you need 100 to form sperms. You get four. You get four. Sorry, you get four. I am getting confused right now. 4 pollen grains each time the thing happens. You get 4 pollen grains, right?
Basically, there's one meiotic
Every
division and then like 4 meiosis divisions. So 500 are required for the 400 pollen grains. Simple as that.
Yep. This I'm entirely confused as to how people get this wrong, considering my teacher discussed this in class. She was like, this question is really important. Take a look at this, make a note of this, go through these questions later. And then they went and wrote 200.
Okay. It's okay. They're
Wait,
kids. They
Vedika,
just
what
need
was the
practice.
question?
Yeah, go ahead with the questions.
To produce 400 seeds, the number of meiotic divisions required will be.
I think we just discussed that, right?
Yeah, that's what we just discussed right now. He asked me what the question is.
Meiotic divisions, just the meiotic divisions.
Yes, only the meiotic divisions required to form 400 seeds.
500 meiotic divisions. I just told you, right?
Yes.
You want me to explain it?
No.
No, ma'am, I asked you the question.
Isa asked me what the question was.
Ah,
Um,
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Can anyone hear her?
Ma'am?
Okay, wait, he's written something. Oh, wait. We had a question in the exam. Should a person meet an online friend who he has never seen or met? We had two options, yes or no. And a few of my classmates said yes, yes, you should. What? Why? You can get kidnapped. You can be sold to another person. What is wrong with people? They can take out your organs. I don't know. They can break your legs and hands, and they can just put to begging onto the railway stations. What is wrong with people? What the hell? Yes, they should. No, stranger danger. Nobody ever heard of it. God damn it. Ma'am is like, from kindergarten, your parents say that. Exactly. So they never went to kindergarten or they never learned it. Yes, exactly my point. Oh my God. Savi, you can switch on your camera as well now. Easta, switch on the camera.
Ma'am, next
Mhm.
question.
Yes, please go ahead.
Which one of the following represents a restriction endonuclease recognition site used in HGP?
And there's a diagram.
No, there are options.
Restriction endonuclease site.
Recognition site and the 5 dash 3 dash, those are given.
Restriction endo. Okay, remember the restriction endonucleases. I gave you guys notes, and onto those notes there were first of all, these are restriction endonucleases, so they are going to cut onto the palindromic sequences which are very specific to them. Repetitive
I remember
palindromic.
reading about it.
Yep.
So, ma'am, I'll say the options.
Mm-hmm.
A option was 5 dash GAA TTC 3 dash.
Wait, 5 dash.
GAA
Uh-huh.
TTC
Uh-huh.
3 dash.
Okay.
And below that itself, there's not, the second option is not there. Below that, we have another one 3 dash CTT AAG 5 dash.
Okay.
The next option B was 5 dash CC AAA TG 3 dash
Mm-hmm.
and 5 dash GAA TCC. Ma'am, two of them come together in one option.
Two of them come together in one option.
The first two are option A, the second two are option B.
This is option A and this is option B.
We have two more options just like this with two lines.
Why do you need me to spell attic? Okay, first of all, there's
Ma'am, there
something
are
that
two.
you should know about the, right, give me a second, bacha. There are some things that you need to know about the endonucleases restriction enzymes. Restriction enzymes, restriction endonucleases, they basically go by and they cut very specific DNA sequences that there are, which are super specific to them. They should be palindromic. They should be about, what do we call it, 4 to 7 nucleotides long, and they should be consisting of the usual adenine and thymine more, because these are easy to break. Also, these should be matching, because they're palindromic. These should be same. Like this one. Like this one.
Option A, right?
Yeah. Which one did you choose?
Option A, and then later discussion, our teacher for some reason said it was option B, and I didn't understand her because 5 3 the first one in option B has guanine and extra guanine, which is not in the second part of the same option. There
Also,
are
they're
7 in the
both
first
from 5
line.
dash to 3 dash. See?
We noticed it. We thought that she gave it to confuse us. Sometimes people don't check the 5 3 and they just give the answer.
Well, now we know that it is option A.
So I got that one right.
Mhm.
Ma'am, there was a question about
Pickles,
Drosophila.
why do I have 2 yellow pens? I'm sorry, yep, go ahead.
One is a neon yellow, I believe.
No, they're both yellow. Look here.
Yeah, they're both yellow, but I think they're very different yellow colors. One looks a bit more highlighterish yellow.
No, that is the highlight. Oh, that's gold. Drosophila.
Yeah, there was a question about it.
Uh-huh.
Morgan conducted dihybrid crosses in Drosophila between genes Y, small y, and small w. The F2 ratio he obtained is option A 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Option B parental 98.7% and recombinance 1.3%. Option C parental 98.3%, recombinance 1.7%.
I'm sorry, you lost me there. Could you type the question? It's too long.
The full question or just the options?
The question is like, what is the F2 ratio, right?
When Morgan conducted a dihybrid cross between genes small y and small w, the F2 ratio.
The F2 ratio. Ma'am, can you spell ethics and photo? Isa, what are you doing?
I think he meant the photo of the question.
Ah, okay. All right. My bad.
I'll take a picture and send it.
Yep. Ma'am. Oh, when you asked me to spell attic, why would you ask me to spell attic?
Ma'am, could you spell it?
I don't want to. Is this some kind of joke? Like the one you had with Charvi, Alpha, name?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, you can see it out for yourself.
I'll see it out for myself. Let me Google it first. Well, it doesn't. Why do you want me to spell attic? What is it? Do you guys know? No. Charvi, what about you?
Ma'am, it's completely normal, ma'am.
Then why are you asking me to spell it?
You just spelled attic when you asked her to spell it.
Yeah,
Why
No,
would you
exactly.
ask her to spell it?
I'm confused about the spelling. Ma'am, could
No,
you
no,
tell
your
me the
spelling is
spelling?
correct.
Ma'am, what was my spelling? I forgot.
Well, then you should just look at
Scroll
the
up.
text that you sent.
Scroll up.
Ma'am, I left the meeting and joined again, so
Well, I'll just
I'll send you
write
the
it
picture.
down. Yeah, thank you.
ma'am, why are you so stubborn, ma'am?
Ma'am, why are you so stubborn, ma'am? Isa, why are you being so unreasonable? See?
Ma'am, you can just spell it instead.
Yeah, I spelled it. I put it into the chat box. Now you cannot say, oh, I left and joined again. Now you spell it. Yes, exactly. Something's fishy, bro. It means in slang mentally impaired because of stupidity or intoxication.
Ma'am,
The phrase is used as a synonym for one's mind. I'm sorry, yes, Picha?
can somebody tell me how I upload something from the phone on Zoom?
You don't, you just send it on to the WhatsApp and then I copy paste it
I
here
don't.
in
My
the
mom is
OneNote.
not here. My mom's not here. She's somewhere else. I don't have your phone number on this phone.
Is it a large question, like a long, long question?
No, it's just the options have a lot of percentages coming in it.
Good luck typing it into the chat box.
Any idea how I can upload a picture? There is no way to upload a picture on phone.
Well, you have to put it into the computer, and from there you can just, click onto the file in the chat
Yeah.
box.
Hey, I'm too lazy to type. I'll do that.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. So good luck either typing or you can dictate it. Let me write it down. Okay, dictate it.
Ma'am, I'll just send it. Give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
Ma'am, until that you can spell
No,
attic.
no. You spell it. Why don't you spell it, Isa? If nothing's wrong here.
Ma'am, if I knew the spelling, then I wouldn't have asked you, ma'am.
But then you know the spelling now. We have told you the spelling.
Ma'am, I don't know if that's correct or not.
Google it. Google that shit.
Ma'am, then why would I ask
If
you, ma'am?
you don't know if it's true or not, why would you want the spelling?
Exactly. Why would you want it so badly? You can just Google it. I still don't get it. Millennial brain.
Ma'am, it's sent.
Okay. Oh crap. I'm gonna have to download it. Give me a second to save it. It's downloading. It's downloaded. Okay. Dude, it is asking me how do I want to open this file? What file is it?
It's JPG.
Can I open it in VLC? Oh, it's
I don't know.
JPG. It's JPG. I can't.
You can't. I'll have to dictate it.
No, 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 no. Oh yes, you have. Let me see. Let me open it in Paint, man. Let's see. Oh, Morgan conducted that.
You can rotate it in Paint.
Oh yeah. Okay. Uh, no, I cannot.
Ma'am, which paint do you use?
The one which is. Oh, I can! Yay! Okay, got it. I feel like that's what I did. Boomers. Right, because Generation C doesn't know the spelling of the word that you've been asking continuously. Too bad. Boomers at least know the spelling. And FYI, get your facts straight. Millennial. Morgan conducted dihybrid crosses in Drosophila between genes Y and W. Ratio he obtained is 9:3:1. No. Parental, mental recombinations. It is definitely among the questions B, C, and D. And I'm gonna have to look it up as well. Give me a second. In days, months since I revised this concept. This was in the mock test. Hello, ma'am. Sorry, I was not able to join. Some problem was there. It's okay, Akshat. Okay. Oh, it says that based upon his breeding experiments on the fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster, Morgan proposed chromosome theory of linkage, which we all know about, which states that linked genes occur onto the same chromosome in a linear sequence and maintain parental combination of the genes except for the occasional crossovers. That also we know about because the genes were linked, they'd be maintaining the parental combinations all the time. So basically, they do not give a 9:3:1 dihybrid ratio at all. We know that too. So it basically is a complete linkage. So if it shows a complete linkage, that means it's option B, the one with the least recombinants.
Okay, ma'am. I didn't attempt that question because it confused me, so I wanted to clear what it was.
Any other question?
No, ma'am. That's all from. That is too many from a 55 question paper.
Okay. If that is so, then we can just move by and give your quizzes now. Okay.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
I asked one question yesterday to Anjali ma'am, but ma'am, it was an assertion reason question
Mm-hmm.
about reproductive health. Ma'am, assertion was reproductive and child healthcare programs are for reproduction related areas. And ma'am, the reason
Reproductive,
was,
I'm sorry, Bacha, could you come again?
ma'am, assertion was reproductive and child healthcare programs are for reproduction related areas.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason was it deals with creating awareness among various reproduction related aspects.
Okay.
So it will be.
I think assertion is being explained by the reason.
So it is correct explanation, but ma'am, they both are different sentences, right?
But they're both talking about how the reproductive areas, about the reproduction concept, the awareness is being spread by the programs, right?
Yes. But ma'am, then again it is written that it not only deals with reproduction related areas, but also the facilities provided by the country.
Well, then in this
Healthcare.
case, then reason is partially explaining the assertion, so reason wouldn't be the correct explanation, entire explanation. Okay.
Okay.
What do you think about the question?
Ma'am, I got confused between A and B. But yesterday ma'am was saying that since it is partially correct, so assertion and reason both are false. So I don't know.
They're not both false. They're both correct, but they're not related to each other. Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. They're not both false.
Okay, ma'am.
But don't, ma'am, can you spell the word? Akshat, no. What is wrong with both of you? Isa told to say. Isa? What is going on? Huh? Isa, unmute yourself right now. Isa, unmute
ma'am.
yourself right now. Yeah, what is this joke, man?
Ma'am, it's not a joke, ma'am. Look, even Akshat had the same thing.
Ma'am, I feel like they're asking it because of your pronunciation. What? What the? Really? Is it? How would you pronounce it then? I think my pronunciation is correct and they're asking to spell it. Isa, how do you pronounce the word?
Ma'am, I think so. The word is attic. Ma'am, but then I don't know the spelling. So could you please?
I'm sorry, could you pronounce it again?
Ma'am, I think so. It's attic. I don't know.
Yeah, so I think if you think so. I wanted out on the question. What the actually? Yeah, I guess the spelling is same for the word. Don't worry about it.
Isa, if you want to know it's so bad, use Google voice search. Just say the word, you'll get the spelling.
Yep. I spelled it. I've never asked for anything else from you, lol. You liar. Oh, you liar. You lying piece of shit. You always have, and you always will continue doing that. Right, okay. So we have about a few questions. Ma'am, now I'm depressed. Well, it's not my fault. And I'm not Vedika, so I'm not going to apologize because it's not my fault. Come on now. Everyone. Quickly go ahead with the. This is not going to go away, is it? Well, not until you get out of it. Guys, join the quiz link. Okay. All right. Ma'am, can you do 25 and 28? Maybe it's easy, but I don't get. It's okay. Let me see. Let me see. Bro, I'll get blind. I don't understand shit here. Isa. Why? Oh my God. Oh my, you're such a stubborn man. Oh, good luck to the person whoever lives their life with you. On silly things, not overall, silly things. Your ma'am sent screenshots. And what's my name? Your name is Isa. Well, I don't know because I wouldn't know who you are for sure. You could be V2. Sorry, don't know. You could be V2, Charlie, and the another one that is there, right? Anyway, Akshat, Mote join the quiz. There you go. Pass ho jao. Right, ready? Sorry, there are 116 questions. I'm not saying it, Lisa. No matter how hard you try. Oh my God. I'm really sorry, my comment. Again, Vedika, do not apologize for something that you did not do. It's completely fine. You can do it again. And Akshat, you piece of shit, why is everything wrong with you? Like, why in the world are you getting so many questions wrong? किस चीज की जल्दी है बेटा तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है where do you have to reach what have you achieved in life that you're just literally ramming through the test what is wrong with you I have a class at 7 with Akshat. Yeah, at 7, you have 9 minutes. Oh, Vedika with you, that's completely fine, but if you don't want to do it, it's completely fine. But Akshat, man, take a little time. क्या मोटे भैंस मैं फिर एक चांटा मारूं को समझ में नहीं आ रहा इतनी देर से क्या बोल रही हूँ गधा that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye. Bye bye. I'll send you the link, don't worry. Let them finish the quiz. Charvi, Isa, I'm keeping the quiz open. You guys finish it first, okay? And then maybe I'll send you the homework link of the quiz, okay? Bye. Ma'am, I'll be sad now. Isa, that's not my problem. I'm sorry. Okay. Love you too. Bye. 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 I'm never going to sing. Yeah, right.